Ooh. Damn, maybe we won't do it again. That shit looks holy dope, bro.
You want to be a circus.
I really don't. What's up guys, my name is Chris Darafiv and thank you for joining me here today at FlyRyde. This is a channel all about automotive lighting where you're going to learn more about the parts, the techniques, and the business of building custom lights. And right now I'm sitting in the new shop. You guys have maybe seen a little bit of this in the live streams, but you haven't seen the journey. So I put together a video that just shows everything from tearing down with our buddies at Premium Auto Styling in Riverside and packing up a van a ton of times, unloading, and I'll just tell you right now, there's a whole bunch of time-lapse stuff where we're moving back and forth like this the whole time. So I hope it's interesting. It's just showing you what it looks like when you pack all your stuff up and move from one shop to another. And let me tell you, I suck at it. It takes forever and it's kind of stressful. So at least it's all documented and I can look back later once we're thriving here in Calimesa and see what it took to get here. So thank you guys for watching. All right, exciting stuff. We're making the move. So this is the second time this year that I've got keys to a shop, and I'm really excited this time. It's gonna be a family thing. I'll have my wife here, I'll have Jack here. We'll be building something really special, and this is just the very beginning. So I'm about to go get the keys right now and walk in for the first time since it's been cleaned out and made ready for FlyRyde. So I'm just taking you guys along with me, and I guess you're gonna see what I see. Let's see, man. What's going on? Cool, sweet. Toilets are good. A lot of business happens on the toilet. That's where we do Instagram posts. Yeah, I do. I just film all sorts of stuff. That's the big moment, the getting the key part. Yeah, right? That's how business really works. Second time this year I got keys to a new shop, so this time just for me, so I think we're gonna turn these into some goofy Star Wars keys real soon. I really like So super weird stuff. I got the keys to a brand new shop. I'm here, I just loaded a ton of stuff up and it's still basically empty. So man, I'm so excited to fill this place up and to definitely start recording with the mic because it's so echoey in here right now. It's just gonna make for some weird audio in these videos. But that was day 2. What do you think, Jordy? You like the new shop? I think it's gonna be good stuff, sir. Got a lot of work to do.
Get yelled at by Angela if you don't do this right?
She's scary, dude.
Alright, we should do it first.
I know, let's do it. I want her to see it when she rolls up anyway. guess this is officially FlyRyde 3, or maybe FlyRyde 4, but I guess that doesn't matter because my old houses don't count. Yeah! Morning, YouTube. I'm getting ready to pick up a van because there's a couple parts that when we set up the shop originally, I was super excited because I had all of these things that were sitting in storage for like a year, and big benches, all sorts of stuff like that. And over the course of time at the shop, we kind of just used them wherever we could because we were just trying to make things work. And the little FlyRyde room was very, very small if we really look back at how much space that shop has and how much we were using. You know, just the new spot has to be used to the max. So I'm gonna go pick up all these benches. They're so big that there's no way I could have moved them without getting a U-Haul. And I didn't want to put the money into a U-Haul. I wanted to put it into, like, I don't know, shelves or like doing something cool with the floor or something like that. So I'm totally not a practical dude, but I'm trying to be practical. I'm trying to make this transition a lot smoother than last time. So I'm out here in Riverside up in the hills. You can see Lake Matthews in the back, and I'm about to pick up this old shitty van and pack it up with the rest of my benches and put them to use. Got the big van, about to go load it up with all the benches and stuff like that. So you guys are gonna be seeing the very end of FlyRyde in Riverside. But it's the beginning of a new journey, so I'm excited. Let's go see those premium boys. Nobody's here. This might be the last time I show up when nobody's here. I'm gonna miss this key. Look how dope that key is. Darth Vader. Yeah, buddy. Hey. Should I show you guys the code? Nah.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Sign.
Oh, the lab. Now it's just gonna be the shop. No more lab. Super weird being in this room empty again. It's all echoey like it hasn't been for about 9 months. So craziness. We've been tearing all this stuff down all day. It takes forever to move lights because there's so many parts all over the ground. Look back there. It's crazy. But I'm gonna miss these guys. Look at them. Oh, where'd they go? There they are. Are you here to help? Are you gonna help, dude? Yeah? Last load. Finally, we've got all kinds of stuff from Riverside. It's all in Calimesa now. We're gonna get it all assembled, but it's not gonna happen fast. We're gonna just try to be a little bit more practical about this move and not have so much downtime. So we have a couple big things that we need to have done. We need to hook up the oven and the butyl machine so we can start sealing lights and opening and shutting and all that good stuff. And then other than that, it's literally just slowly making this place look cool. So we're gonna get on it. I got a new awesome helper. Where's she at? There she is. That is called awesome free help. It's my wife. She's totally my better half, so I'm happy to have the help.
You say you haven't been yourself for a long time. Baby, you reckon it is already on.
Wow. So lumber's in, trash can's in. Damn it, I forgot coffee cups again. We'll have coffee eventually. I'll be good. There he is. Hey, hey. We got a big dope light. That monster's always on. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so we finally have a workshop. It's not wired yet, so we can't use the oven. That's happening today sometime. But at least for now, we've got a bunch of work surfaces, more than we've ever had. Way more than my garage, way more than Riverside, and I don't know, I think we're gonna be able to do a lot of good stuff here. But the first thing we have to do is work on our first customer car that's here, and it's our friend that's local. He's actually got a beautiful GTR. So let's go take a look outside and see what Jack's up to. Alright, that's it for this one. Join us for part 2 where we finish moving in, we get our electrical, we do a dope GTR, and there's just a whole bunch more. So make sure, mash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time.